So just look at this, my account. If you look, I actually have made about 23,000 naira already on this platform. And the good thing here is that you can actually withdraw this money. Withdrawal here on this platform is actually weekly. All right, yeah, so stick with me. Let me show you guys how to get this kind of results. Okay, this is actually going to be a full-time review, all right, review on this platform. And I will also show you how to join the platform, how to join, and then I will reveal to you the bonus I have for you guys who want to be joining the platform. Now I'll be getting a lot of questions. A lot of people are coming and are coming to my DM, also asking me on my channel, say they want legit ways of making money online. And today I'll be talking to you about Owodaily again. Now in the previous video I did, a lot of people have joined the platform and they are already earning money. So guys, without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video. So guys, what is actually Owodaily? Owodaily is a digital platform. It's also an affiliate marketplace, just like Expertnaira. A lot of you guys know about Expertnaira, the affiliate marketplace where you can get products and services to promote, digital and physical. Here on Owodaily, there are also products. So guys, you can actually earn money here on this platform doing tasks like digital tasks like Instagram follow. And in my own opinion, this platform is actually the best in the industry because they have very high payouts, right? Their payments are very much high compared to others. Guys, before I actually proceed, I want to talk to you about the video I promised you guys, the full affiliate marketing training. That video is going to come up, so do well to subscribe to this channel and stick around as I update the 2 affiliate marketing videos, because it's going to be 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. All right guys, so let's proceed to this. Yeah, this is my account. Okay, I already have money here on my dashboard. All right, so guys, this is how to actually just perform one of the tasks right here. If you look at these jobs, they are high paying. Like I said, this is like my best in the industry. Their payout is so high. This person says you should like and comment like, comment and follow their IG account, and you're going to be paid 20 naira. So I'm going to click on apply right here for you guys to see how to actually earn money here on this platform. The payout is high, and okay, the workers needed. All right, so I'm going to click on start job right now. Let's see how it goes. All right, this is live. We're doing everything. Okay, the person say prove me the username and screenshot of the like, comment and follow, and this way you're going to do it. So this is, you click on start job right here, and this is going to take me to my Instagram. Like as you can see, this is taking me to Instagram. So let's just allow that to load a bit. Okay, this is me liking it, this is me dropping a comment. I'm going to do a screenshot, that's it there. All right, and I'm going to follow this account right now. We are going to screenshot this as well. So let's go back to Owodaily dashboard. Let's see. So this is it. So I'm going to come back. This is how to submit it. Choose files. You know, you just go straight to choose file. This is downloads. I'll mark this and open. So I've actually uploaded 2 files. Also write username, which is, once your username is ready, you come scroll down, click on submit proof, and you see that. All right, so I've submitted successfully. This YouTube subscriber can just apply, subscribe to the channel and submit. So guys, this is actually how to do it on Owodaily. All right, that's how to submit your proof on Owodaily. So guys, I actually told you guys about doing affiliate marketing here on Owodaily. You can actually promote other digital products and physical product that creators have actually uploaded here on the platform as an affiliate. When you promote them and make a sale, you have commission. Right, there are a lot of products here. I'm going to be showing you guys that. Yeah, so remember also I said you can actually win a car here on Owodaily. Look at this, you can win a car once you make up to 3 million naira up to Owodaily. You are given a brand new car, guys. That's amazing. All right, Yeah, so this is affiliate marketing. These are the products here. The affiliate accelerator course is you are going to make 20,000 naira, 20,000 naira here, 20,000 naira if you make a sale. And this course has a lot to offer. There are a lot of product here. The secret of glowing skin is a physical product. Remember, the company is actually going to ship the product, send it to the customer. You are not going to do customer service. You're not going to, you just have to bring traffic to this place, and once a sale is made, all these products have their own sales pages. Okay, let's look at this now. If you actually choose any of these products and you want to promote, you are going to get a unique link that once someone pays for this product and buys the product, you are going to get a commission. All right, I've shown you how to make money and how to submit your task. I want to show you how to join the platform. Yeah, so let me show you guys. So if you actually click on the link I'm going to leave in the description box below, the first place going to take you is going to take you to a place like this. And guys, you're going to see something like you have been invited by, you see my name to join Owodaily. All right, yeah, this is what you're going to see. And then you scroll down. If you see something like this, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on become a member. Guys, listen to this. This is how it is done. If you don't follow this procedure, you're going to miss out. It's going to take you directly to the company. If you don't see this, you're going to direct you to the company. You're going to make a lot of mistake. Make sure you see this. You have been invited to join, invited by, you see my name to join, and then you scroll down and click on become a member. Or you can, either ways, you can copy the link and also paste it on your Chrome browser. Now registration here is 3,000 naira and plus membership is 13,000 naira, meaning that you have paid for a membership 3,000 and you have paid for affiliates of 10,000 naira fee. Now this is what you stand to get. All right, once you are activated, you have paid your 3,000 naira for membership, which is lifetime. What you stand to get, you have become a lifetime member on this platform right here. Okay, you have become a member. You're going to, yeah, that payment is one-time payment and you're going to earn money daily. All right, up to 8,000. Now I said 8k because you're going to actually be making 1,600 naira, guys, for every direct referral. Apart from your daily jobs here, you can actually make 1,600 naira. So guys, yeah, this is actually a detailed explanation about this platform. So you're going to make 1,600 naira for direct referrals outside your daily task. You can do daily task like I showed you earlier. You can make money, and also you're going to get 200 naira for every indirect referral. Let's say you invite 10 persons, you're going to be getting 16,000 naira, and if any of those persons invite, you're going to get 200 naira, and also you're going to get 3% of whatever your referrals do on the platform. If they make money, if they deposit to get people to work for them, you're also going to get 3%, and you're also going to earn a commission. You're going to earn a commission, guys, on sales when you promote their product. That's when you become an affiliate by paying the 13,000 naira, but 3k is for membership. All right, so you are also going to get a car. You're going to be awarded, the company gives a car here, right, when you hit 3 million naira, when you get up to 3 million naira via referrals, right? Yeah, so guys, let me talk about the bonus. For now, the payout here is over 50%. Registration is 3,000 naira, and when you refer, you're going to get 1.6k. That is massive, right? That is over 50%, and you're also going to get money from the activities of your download. So if you have friends and family who want to make money online, guys, this is an opportunity for you to jump on this, sign up, hit your get your account, start to make money, and also you can recommend it. This is actually great, right? For those of you who want to start affiliate marketing, you can jump on Owodaily here and start promoting their product and services. I've already showed you the few products that are available. All right, now for the bonus, there's something that Owodaily has. It's called a village. It is a community for everyone. If you actually join with my link, you are going to be in my community and you're going to stand a chance of also getting more jobs. You are going to be getting a lot of tax that will help you to earn money. Now you can ask me a question in the comment section below. For those of you who have a question, ask me the questions in the comments and I'll be there to answer all your comments. All right, yeah, for with that said, guys, I also want you to subscribe to this channel, right? Let me be your number one guy for make money online. Turn on the notification bell, like this video, comment, share this video. With that said, guys, I'll see you in my next video, guys.